of the cave, fresh water is springing from the rocks, making the most relaxing sound of moving water you've ever heard. This water seems to glow. Although there is no sunlight reflecting in the cave, it shimmers with light before your eyes. You cup your hands together and gather some of this water, bringing it to your lips for a drink. It is the most pure and refreshing water you have ever tasted. It nourishes and replenishes you, hydrating every part of your being with its beauty. The tropical birds know of this water source and make their way flying into the cave, chirping their beautiful song. There are all different types of birds, large and small. They land on the floor of the cave and drink the fresh water that is collected in various puddles, bringing their beaks down, scooping the water, then raising their heads high to allow the water to trickle down their throats. They are not afraid of you. It is almost as if you are part of their flock. These magnificent birds are so close, you can clearly see the beautiful rainbow of colors that make up their feathers. Bright reds, yellows, greens, and turquoise blues that match the water of the ocean. Their eyes are surrounded by crisp white skin, and they look directly at you with kindness and curiosity. After getting their fill of hydrating water, they fly out of the cave and back into the rainforest. You take a moment to sit down in this cave. There is the perfect shaped rock protruding from the ground that almost resembles a bench. Have a seat and close your eyes for a moment, tuning into the sounds around you. The waves, the distant birds, the trickling fresh water, the breeze. Each sound soothes you to your very soul. Take a deep breath in and hear the sound of the air going in and out of your lungs. You can smell the clean salt water. Open your eyes and see the cave towering above you. What a beautiful spot.